Let's look at a retrace with the fib levels. Build with our retrace tool here. You'll see that, we pretty much came right up into that 50% fib level, which is very normal rejection. Remember, if you reject at the 382, that means very bearish. If you reject at the 50% level retrace, that means it's a pretty decent short opportunity. With the golden pocket, which is between the 618 and the 786, they call it the golden pocket because a lot of people start to bail once it hits this area. But if you were to short it in this level, your stop is very low. If you hit it here, you make a lot of gold as it goes down. So in this case, we're building the retrace, assuming that we went down and now we retraced up. So this is a very decent opportunity or area to short something and get good return. If you're enjoying the content, then go ahead and subscribe, and I appreciate you smashing that like button. Now let's look at the fib extension level, and I think this one becomes even more interesting. With the fib extension tool, all we do is we draw from the high down to the low, and then we draw the retrace. And what this is going to give us an idea is, on an extension level, somewhere between the 618 and the 1, coming back into this area in here is kind of normal, meaning that, 100% retrace down, you come down to like 420 area. You would maybe spike it. In this black line you see here is the bull trend line going back for a very long time. So if this is just an A, B, C type corrective wave, then we'd likely come back down to the 420 area. But the one thing you never know about waves is, are we in an ABC corrective wave, or is this a 5-wave down? And if this isn't a 5-wave down, the third wave is the largest wave. It's not typically equal to the first wave, which means you would likely come down further and maybe fill a second gap around the 405 level before you'd. That retrace is usually shallower, so it'd be like a 382 retrace because people are very bearish at that point, and then you put in the fifth wave. That's somewhat equal to the wave one, and then all bets are off if that happens. But right now, we haven't put in a lower low. So I think that's important to note.